Right. Let's do some recap on yesterday's work. So, yesterday's work, we were told to determine the following on the quadratic functions below. And the first thing that we're asked is to identify if the parabola will have maximum value or minimum value. Then we also looked at how we can calculate the coordinates of the turning points. So we'll go through the yesterday's work so that if there is anybody who still had some challenges, can be resurrected. So we had y is equal to x squared plus x plus 1. This was the function that were given, all right? So first thing first, we identify the coefficients. So for a, the coefficient there, it's 1. Okay, there's 1x squared. Then for b, the coefficient there, it's also 1. And for c, it's 1. Then we need to identify if it has a maximum value or minimum. So automatically, because the coefficient of a, or the coefficient of x squared is 1, we are going to have a minimum value. This entails that our graph, our parabola will come out like this. All right. So we have identified that our parabola will have a minimum value. Now that we know that it has a minimum value, we can now find the coordinates of the turning point. Where is the turning point? At this point where this parabola turns. All right. So this turning point is in the form of x comma y. Its coordinate x comma y. So for us to find the coordinates of x, we use this formula. X is equal to negative b over 2a. So what is our a? It's 1. What is our b? It's 1. Our a, it's also 1. So x is equal to negative 1 over 2 times 1, it is 2. So the first value of x is negative half. Now that we know this, we can now simply find the value of y by replacing on the given function, which is x squared plus x plus 1. So where there is x, we're putting negative half plus negative half plus 1. So y is equal to negative squared is positive. 1 squared is 1 over 2 squared is 4. Then you say positive times negative half is negative half plus 1. This one can be expressed as a fraction by dividing it by 1. 1 divided by 1 is still 1. Then say y is equal to, what is our common denominator? 4 is our common denominator. Then you say 4 into 4, 1. 1 times that 1, it's 1. 2 into 4, it is 2. 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. 1 into 4 is 4. 4 times 1, it is 4. So y is equal to 1 minus 2, we get negative 1. Negative 1 plus 4, see, 3. So you have 3 over 4. So now that we know the x and y, we can simply say the turning point is negative half for x and 3 over 4 for y. That's how we're supposed to answer such. All right.